For today, our objective is going to be the same: understand and identify ethos, pathos, and logos with a commercial or a TikTok. You will have to do your do now. We will then read ethos and logos, and then work on the commercial or the TikTok. You will begin with your do now. You simply have to answer this question: what is your favorite commercial or TikTok video? Does it make you laugh? Is it ironic? And then you have to explain your answer. This is a timed question. Make sure that you answer it within that time frame. The next thing that we are going to do is then do a poll. We will start to work on producing our own commercial. You will write your persuasive essay and then produce your commercial. Would you prefer to work on your own or in a group for this project? And then you simply choose either A, I'd like to work as a group, or B, I'd like to work alone. Here you simply have an article. What is ethos? The best advertising and commercial examples that define ethos. You simply read the article. There are several examples here listed within. Yes, it looks very similar to our pathos. However, this has more direct information towards ethos. You'll then continue on, and now we'll go into our logos definition. Once again, it's the same as it looks very similar to our ethos and our pathos article. However, this is more direct towards logos. Make sure that you pay close attention to what logos actually means. We do have our triangle here as well. It is listed in all of them. Please pay close attention, take a snapshot of this, keep it for your records, as it briefly tells you what pathos, ethos, and logos means. Once you have read both articles, you will then start your time to climb. This is simply a few questions. Make sure that you answer them accordingly. Once you are done, you'll get to be done with this lesson. Again, make sure that you're taking notes. This is crucial information for our commercials.